Hi, my name is Raulh, and I suffered from Irritable Bowel Syndrome for 19 years and was cured by Dr. Sabi in Usha Village in 2013. He cured me within 12 days. IBS is a blessing in disguise. What? Because it's your body telling you that you're eating something that it cannot process. I know you think I'm crazy for saying Irritable Bowel Syndrome is a blessing, but let me explain. So here's what I was going through. I'd wake up, have a bowel movement. Eat something, have another bowel movement. Try to leave the house, I had to have another bowel movement. Now it's time to go and you're running late, but you gotta run back into the house and have yet another bowel movement. Now you're leaving and you're worried. Are there any bathrooms along the way, just in case I have to have another bowel movement? And is there a bathroom when you get to where you're going? So if your body's malfunctioning like this, it's simply telling you that you're eating the wrong stuff. First, the definition of IBS. On Google, it says constipation and diarrhea. No, it's not constipation. Constipation has nothing to do with irritable bowels. Irritable bowels means that you constantly keep going to the bathroom. Constipation means you're stopped up and you can't have a bowel movement. This is the reason why so many people are having problems healing themselves, because the definition is being given by someone who's never experienced it. I have. People say you need to clean your colon out in order to cure yourself of irritable bowel syndrome. That's part of the cure. Another part of the cure is that you actually have to change your diet. Here's why. The reason you're having a problem is because your body is telling you that what you're putting in it, your system can no longer process it. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, but I've been eating the same stuff all my life. Why is it bothering me now? Well, there's two different reasons. One could be that your body has changed and it no longer wants it anymore. The other reason is, whatever it is that you're eating is probably made from a man-made hybrid plant, when it used to be made from a real God-made plant. The company didn't inform the public of the change, so you think it's the same exact food that you've been eating all along. If you're putting something into your body that's not made by God, your body is going to malfunction. Dr. Sabi gave this example. If you put diesel fuel in a regular car that runs on regular gas, it's going to act up. You can do a colon cleanse and change your diet, and that will cure your IBS. It will also restart your nervous system, what they call nervous stomach or butterflies in the stomach. The average person who's not suffering from IBS will get butterflies, and that's it. But a person with IBS will get butterflies in their stomach and then have to go to the bathroom and have a bowel movement. I was cured in 12 days, and you can too. So if you want to cure yourself of IBS, go to my website for the basic information on how to change your diet so that you can not only straighten out your IBS, you can also cure some of the diseases forming in your body you don't even know that exists yet. Okay, so if you found this information to be helpful, give me a thumbs up and like and share this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell for future notifications of when I post a new video. I post a new video every week. You can follow me on all social media at God Cured Me. Also, for a free list of foods that you should eat for nutritional value, or if you want to jump straight into learning how to heal yourself of virtually any disease God's way, visit my website at godcuredme.com. All the links are in the description box below. And as always, my name is Raulh. I won't just pray for you. I'll feed you knowledge. May your health be blessed through your works. Hope to see you soon.